Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, updates definitely need to be made. I'm going to do a little house cleaning first and get rid of these lines. Sure, both these lines still do pertain to the chart. They're just not necessarily relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I want to try to make this as clean as possible going forward and not risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this minimal from the annotation standpoint. And really, there's three main dynamics that's occurring. The first dynamic is, today, once again, the price did fall backwards. But as the day progressed, the bulls showed some strength by getting in this little uptrending trend line here. Now, don't get me wrong, just because there's this uptrending trend line does not mean that for sure this is the bottom and that this thing's getting ready to head back up to 550. My point is, given how much nasty downwards pressure there was to start with, so let's establish a context. Like I said, a lot of selling pressure, morning, and then from there, just a slow and steady grind back upwards. Again, does that mean that's the bottom? No, but at least it's a rational thought to have that maybe this is going to be some potential bottom right now, whereas if the price was just going straight down right now, so if the charts still look like this, and I'm saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom, you'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking, based on what? But that's not the case here, right? The case is that the price actually did work its way upwards. Again, guaranteed bottom, no, but it's at least a rational thought to have. Now, in the event this is just a faulty upwards move and there's not any sort of true power behind it and the price breaks to the downside of that trend line, next key overall level of support would be right there at the $3.80 mark. And then on the flip side of things, as far as the overarching level of resistance, keep an eye on. It's all about that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, currently valued at $4.65. So those are going to be the two key levels to watch, 380 and then the 50-period moving average. And then that key dynamic to watch is, can the price stay above this trend line, which suggests maybe some sort of bounce and bottom is forming. Let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover three keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.